In our last video, we talked about Agile, the mindset behind modern software delivery. But Agile is just the philosophy. Scrum is how you actually put it into practice. In this video, I will explain what Scrum is, how it works, the key roles and ceremonies involved, and how it connects to the business analyst role. Scrum is a framework used to implement Agile in practice. It provides a structured way to manage work by breaking it into small, manageable cycles called sprints, usually 2 weeks long. Think of Scrum as the rulebook. It tells the team who does what, when meetings happen, and how work gets done, all in a simple, repeatable way. Many people use Agile and Scrum interchangeably, but they are not the same. Agile is the mindset, a set of values and principles for delivering work flexibly. Scrum is a specific framework that follows the Agile mindset. In simple terms, all Scrum is Agile, but not all Agile is Scrum. Other Agile frameworks include Kanban, Safe, and Lean, but Scrum is the most widely used. Scrum defines 3 core roles. First, the product owner. They own the product backlog, a prioritized list of everything the product needs. They decide what gets built and in what order. Second, the Scrum Master. They facilitate the Scrum process, run the ceremonies, and remove any blockers that slow the team down. Third, the development team. The cross-functional group of people who design, build, and test the product every sprint. As a business analyst, you typically work alongside the product owner, refining requirements and writing user stories. Scrum has 5 key ceremonies or meetings that happen every sprint. 1. Sprint planning. The team selects work from the backlog and commits to completing it in the sprint. 2. Daily Standup. A 15-minute daily meeting where each team member shares what they did yesterday, what they will do today, and any blockers. 3. Sprint review. The team demonstrates completed work to stakeholders at the end of the sprint. 4. Sprint retrospective. The team reflects on the process and identifies improvements for the next sprint. 5. Backlog refinement. The team reviews and clarifies upcoming backlog items to prepare for the next sprint. Scrum also has 3 key artifacts, or documents, that keep the team organized. The product backlog, a prioritized list of all features, fixes, and requirements for the product. The sprint backlog, the specific items the team commits to completing in the current sprint. And the increment, the working, tested, deliverable product at the end of every sprint. So where does the business analyst fit in Scrum? The BA plays a critical role throughout every sprint. They work with the product owner to refine the backlog, write clear user stories, define acceptance criteria, and clarify requirements for the development team. During sprint review, the BA validates that the delivered solution meets the business requirements. And during retrospectives, they contribute ideas to improve the team's process. Why do so many teams use Scrum? Faster delivery, working software every 2 weeks. Greater transparency. Everyone sees progress through the backlog and daily stand-ups. Faster problem detection. Issues are caught early through continuous testing. And better team collaboration. Scrum brings business and technical teams together every single day. To summarize, Scrum is the most widely used Agile framework. It gives teams a clear structure through defined roles, ceremonies, and artifacts, helping them deliver value consistently every sprint. As a business analyst, understanding Scrum is non-negotiable in today's job market. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Business Analysis Simplified, and check out our previous videos on Agile and BRD linked below. See you in the next one.